Let's go.
I wanna burn a little bit brighter. I wanna stand a little bit taller. Got my head in the clouds. I'm lost.
Hey, Mandy. Thank you for coming. Can I have
you're
another
welcome.
hug?
Yes, of course. Heart to heart.
Yeah, sure.
So, Mandy, what inspired you to be at this conference? That's something must be special.
Yes, because I love connecting with people like you, like-minded people, and really to talk about the logistics legends, meet the legends again. It'll be fantastic. This is a very different type of event because this is more like a family.
We're dreaming, but we're wide awake. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. All we're feeling
Meeting new friends, new people. I'm a SGN member. I'm proud to be a SGN Network member.
Okay, I always believe in network, and I think that is the most important thing for me because it's all about people and connections. I'm looking to extend my network and obviously learn a few things because it's always good to learn new aspects. So these are a few things I'm looking forward to.
Yeah, there's some new faces here, this year, which will be good. You need to have patience, you need to think about how can I add value to the people around me and how can I make deeper connections.
Yes.
And then you will see automatically the results coming in. So it's not about straight away the results. Results are basically the results.
Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. We're dreaming, but we're wide awake. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. All we're feeling scared away. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay.
What matters most is right now, because what you're gonna choose right now is gonna decide where you're heading to. Everything you're doing now is sowing a seed for the future, whether it's a good seed or the bad seed. So, why are you here? I wanna ask you, why are you here? Come on.
Yeah, I know that we'll be okay.
People who are startups, people who are mid-size, SMEs, I think be open-minded, go to the people. Relationships take time. At home, within society, in business, it takes time. And that is, network is the biggest investment that one can do on themselves. So go with an open mind. Don't wait, keep following. Don't push, keep following. Good things happen only when we try.
My question for you is, do you wanna be extraordinary or ordinary?
All in my head, trying my best, didn't know what I wanted. Never looked up, never was enough, wishing I could be something. Thunder and rain, losing my way, only made me so higher. Taking my shot.
Family members and close friends that don't really understand and know what you do, but when they read your story, then it connects you and brings you a lot closer together.
There's only one thing I know, the best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come.
Part of my purpose, a big piece of my purpose, it's fundamental, is relationships. So no matter what, having healthy relationships means a healthy, happy life.
Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not?
This is why I like SGN, right? Because SGN is not about just a one-on-one meeting. It's like things like this. When we can share our experience, when we can help each other develop, we become a family, we help each other. Don't be shy, you just leave your shyness out of the door and connect. Everyone is here to meet someone, to meet people.
The best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not?
With
whatever we are learning from these few days at the conference, it's like this butterfly. And whether we choose to fly with it or crush it or do what we it, it's in our hands.
My favourite thing, the thing I really sort of agree with, train someone to do whatever you want, but the mindset has to be there correctly.
And you can't do that. If you don't understand yourself, you can't actually portray that to anybody else.
If they don't know me, how can they trust me, right? So this is the most important thing.
Best is yet to come.
I believe every one of you has the potential to be extraordinary. You all are extraordinary already inside of you, but it's about your choice to make a decision where you want to be.
Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet.
Whenever anybody says it's impossible, always tell them I'm possible. Because at the end of the day, we cannot be still where we are. If you are where we are, we don't change, we are not going to improve ourselves, we're going to miss opportunities. So remember this very carefully. Do not let anybody tell you it is impossible. Always believe that you are possible. Louder, you are possible. Thank you very much, everybody.
I'm seeing everything so different. Like I'm looking at the world through a brand new.
This conference is more about a family. Getting to know the family first before you do business. That is the element that's missing in other conferences. So the family connection is what SGN is, in my belief, is your value proposition. If you maintain the family connection, that will translate into business.
Celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight.
Desire gives you the dreams, and decision gives you the direction, and our determination gives us the stamina, and our dedication gives us the victory. Because I believe through the support of each other, through the encouragement of each other, Signature Global Network will grow year per year, because we will not just support each other, but also we will inspire and encourage one another.
Celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight.
Never say no and never give up. First of all, the big word in being successful in business or networking or in overcoming change is believing. You got to believe in yourself. You got to believe in what you can offer others, and you got to believe in what others can offer you, because you never know who's the next person you're standing next to. The next person you say hello to could be the one that helps you grow your business.
You wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight.
I would encourage every one of you, when you ask someone, not just say, what's your business, what's whatever that is, ask more about their stories, because stories are powerful. When you know their stories, you will connect much better. Yes, it's been a lot of talking this morning. The cows are all dump too much, eat too much, but remember, just do it.
You make
Thank
me
you.
wanna celebrate, celebrate.